Hey guys, this is the homework for tonight. So for number 1, it says Darcy has 11 5/8 times as much homework than her younger sister Gemma. Express 11 5/8 as a percent in a decimal. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our 11 5/8. This is our fraction. So 11 we know is going to be our whole number. So when we change it to a decimal, the only thing you have to change to a decimal is a 5/8. So once you change that to a decimal, you're going to do it by dividing the numerator by the denominator. That will give you the number that goes after the decimal in your answer. So once we do that, you can already take off D because D doesn't even have 11 as the whole number. Once you change that from a decimal to a percent, you have to multiply your answer here times 100 to get your percent over here, and then it's going to be one of these 3 answers. Number 2 says Rowdy went to buy red, blue, and green colored paper for an art project. He paid $3.20 for 40 sheets of blue paper. The price of each piece of red paper was more expensive than each piece of blue paper. The price of each piece of green paper was cheaper than the price of each sheet of blue paper. Which of the following could have been the price for each of the sheets of red and green papers that Rowdy bought? So the first thing you need to do is take your initial ratio, which is your money per sheet of paper. So $3.20 for 40. You need to find out how much it costs for 1. So if I divide this by 40, I have to divide this by 40 cents, or 40, sorry, to get how much it costs for 1 sheet of paper. And that's blue paper. Once you find out that, you know that the blue paper, whatever that is going to be, that the price of the red paper was more, so the red is more, and then the green was less. So once you find out how much it costs for the blue, you need to find a number here that is more than that for red, and a number here on the same line that is less for green than the blue. On number 3, it says Ember was working the night shift and restocking shelves. She was putting away Dixie cups on the shelf. 45% or 81 of the cups were purple that she put on the shelf. How many total cups did she put on the shelf? You need to find your part, your whole, and your percent. The question says how many total cups, so we know that is our whole. The part is 81, and that is equivalent to our 50 or 45%, sorry. If I set that up in the percent proportion, my part always goes over the whole. My percent is 45, always goes over 100. You're going to cross multiply, then divide by 45. I hope that helped you guys out just a little bit tonight. I hope you guys have a great evening. If you have any questions, either send me an email at sarah.young@RedOakISD or send me a message through Remind. Bye guys, have a great evening.